In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Vercel. So first thing you need to do is to head over to your GoDaddy and input right here the domain name that you want. For example, let's input right here tutorial cat. Now head over and search for that domain that you wish to use. Now this should be able to show you some search results based on the actual keywords that you inputted. So for this case, just choose right here the actual domain that you wish to use. I'll head over and choose this one since this is actually discounted. So let's head over and click on this plus icon. And then from in there, just proceed to check out this particular domain. Now head over next to the Vercel.com, which is their site. Head over and click on sign up in order to create an account. Or you can also create an account and create a project at the same time by clicking the start deploying. Since I already have an account, let me just proceed to log in. Now proceed to buy this particular domain. Click on this looks good in order to buy it, and then just proceed to input right here your payment information in order to buy this. Now here is actually my Vercel. So expand right here your actual project. Choose right here the theme that you wish to use. I'll choose right here my design theme. And then from in there, proceed to choose right here the actual project that you wish to use. I'll choose right here this one. And once you're in there, next thing you need to do is you just proceed to click on the domains option. You can find it by going over to the settings of this particular project. You can also head over right here to the actual Reacts and then click on this right here or expand. Click on the three dots in here as well, and then you can actually add the domains right there. Click on this add existing domain and then search in here for the project that you wish to add that. Click on continue and enter right here the domain that we have purchased. Let's input right here tutorial cat right there and just get it from in here. Now once you have done that, just head over and click on add. And from in there, you will be prompted to add your DNS records and then make sure that it's been synced into your GoDaddy. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.